find the critical numbers of the function. Function is t raised to 3/4 minus 6 t raised to 1/4. So the critical numbers are the numbers in the domain of this function f, where this function, where the derivative is 0 or the derivative is undefined. So we need to know the domain first. Okay, 0 raised to something is fine, but this t raised to 3/4, we cannot put negative number, because negative number, let's say -1 raised to 3/4, it's an imaginary number, because this one is like -1 cube raised to 1/4. -1 cube is just -1 raised to 1/4, or you can just try -1 raised to quantity 3/4 in your calculator. You are not gonna get a nice thing. It's imaginary number, so negative numbers are not in this function, but 0 is good and all the way. Now we first find the derivative of this function, which is from the power rule, 3/4 t raised to 3/4 minus 1 -1/4 minus 6 times, from the power rule again, 1/4 t raised to 1/4 minus 1, that's -3/4, which is, this negative means we can put on the bottom 3/4 t raised to 1/4 minus 6/4. 2 goes 3 times, 2 goes 2 times, and negative means put on the bottom. Okay, so t is in the bottom, so t equals 0. When we take t equals 0, something it will be 0 on the bottom, and something divided by 0 is undefined. So we can clearly see t equals 0. At t equals 0, derivative is undefined. And this 0 is in the domain, so t equals 0 is a critical number or critical point. Okay, so t equals 0 is a critical number. Next, we set derivative 0 and find more critical numbers from there. Okay, this equals 0 minus 3/2 t raised to 3/4 equals 0. Let's solve this equation. Oh, we got only 2 fractions. Okay, let's move one of them to the other side. So 3/4 t raised to 1/4 equals, we are adding this fraction, so 3/2 t raised to 3/4. Now we can cross multiply, because we have only one fraction, we can always cross multiply so that we get rid of the fraction. So 3 times 2, 6 t 3/4 equals 12 t raised to 1/4. Okay, we can divide by 6, so 6 goes 2 times. We still have t raised to 1/4. Let's divide by t raised to 1/4, because 3/4 here is 1/4. So t raised to 3/4, when we divide by 1/4, basically we subtract 1/4 from 3/4. Okay, I divided both sides by this, equals 2. 3/4, when we have the same base, 3/4 minus 1/4 is 2/4. So 2/4 means 1/2 equals 2. So this is the square root of t, by the way. T raised to 1/2 means the square root of t. You can think like this. Now square both sides, you get t equals 4. And by the way, t equals 4 is in the domain. So the critical numbers are, or critical points, 0 and 4. Final. We found 0 earlier.